Morning, students. So today we will talk about displacement reaction, or we can say replacement reaction. When more reactive metal displaces less reactive metal from its salt solution, so it is known as displacement reaction. Displacement or replacement: when a more reactive metal displaces less reactive metal from its aqueous salt solution, then the reaction is known as displacement reaction. Let's take an example like copper sulfate solution. It is a blue color solution, so it is made in water, so we have to write aqueous solution. When iron reacts with copper sulfate solution, iron displaces copper, iron take the position of copper, and you can see now if it is FeSO4 plus Cu, so iron remove the copper from copper sulfate and it takes its position, it's displaced. Why it happens so? Because iron is more reactive. Now we have to learn about the reactivity series. Which metal is more reactive than other? So we have a reactivity series that potassium is more reactive than sodium, highly reactive. Least reactive. So unwanted reactive. Highly reactive is potassium, then sodium, then calcium. So potassium is highly reactive, more reactive than sodium, which is more reactive than calcium, then magnesium. So while going down the series, gold will be the least reactive. So potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, iron, lead, hydrogen. I have kept in a bracket because hydrogen is a non-metal. Copper, mercury, silver, platinum, and gold. So here we have a reactivity series. Reactivity series. Let's learn this series. How to learn this series? So I will make a we can say there's a trick how to learn this. Potasso kama alzin I come CPT. So potassium for potassium, so for sodium, the symbol of Na of sodium is because of its Latin name, natrium, and for potassium it is K because the Latin name of potassium is kalium. That's why the K and Na. So now how to learn this series? Potasso kama, you can repeat after me. Potasso kama alzin I come CPT. Potasso kama alzin I come CPT. In this way you have to learn this series and in the same sequence. If you just change the order, there will be the wrong information. So potassium is highly reactive. While going down the series, the reactivity series decreases, and while going down above the series, what happens? The reactive series increases. The reactivity increases. Potassium is more reactive than sodium. Highly reactive is potassium. Least reactive is gold. So potassium can displace sodium, or sodium can displace Fe. In this reaction we have seen Fe is here, copper is here. So Fe is more reactive than copper. So Fe can displace copper. Zinc can displace copper. Lead can displace copper. So when they are displacing, the reaction is known as displacement reaction. So these are highly reactive, they react with water, but even they with water they react vigorously, explosively. If you add water and sodium and potassium, it will catch fire because of the high reactivity and the the exothermic reaction. While you're going down the series, gold and platinum, silver are the least reactive. If you add water on gold, nothing will happen. If you add acid on gold, nothing will happen. Let us see an example here. CuCl2 plus Zn. Now Zn is more reactive than Cu, so it will displace copper and it will form Cl2 gas. It will form copper. Zinc will displace copper and copper will come here. Same way like PbSO4, lead plus copper sulfate. So lead will displace copper from its solution. So you can see But a reverse reaction, for example, if we talk about this reaction, copper is displaced by zinc, lead is displaced by copper. But if we talk about FeSO4 plus copper, there will be no reaction, because Fe is more reactive than copper. Copper can't displace Fe. Where is copper? Here. Where is Fe? Here. Fe is more reactive. So copper can't displace Fe. In the same way, why gold does not react with water? Because hydrogen is more reactive than gold. Hydrogen is here, it is more reactive. While going above the series, it is more reactive. While going down the series, it is least reactive. Gold is least reactive. It can't displace hydrogen, so there will be no reaction. Same way, if you add acid to gold, nothing will happen, because gold will not displace H, no reaction. So we're going to talk about in acid base or in metal chapter. To dissolve gold, we require a specific type of mixture of acids, that's called aqua regia. We'll talk at that time. So this was about the displacement reaction. In displacement reaction, more reactive metal displaces less reactive metal from its aqueous salt solution. So you have to remember, learn this series: potasso kama, alzin, ileh, come CPT go. Okay, so this was about the displacement reaction. Any query you can ask me.